Kau apa tahu?
Kau apa tahu?
Kau apa tahu? Kau apa tahu?
Test 1 2 3 1 2 3 check rock.
1 2 check 1 2 3.
Hello. Assalamualaikum. Selamat pagi, tengah hari, petang, malam or early morning. Terpulang kepada what time you are watching this podcast.
Yes, welcome back to another episode of Ko Apa Tahu. And this time around,
Last week we were I was with before this I was with Tora Bola.
yes, and Karul Fahmi Shema juga.
Yes.
punya ni.
Don't know yet if this gonna come out after Karul Fahmi or before.
Okay.
That's why next time do your research.
Oh,
Okay.
But this time around very special lah.
Yes.
So that's why I speak in English.
Okay.
So be
Udah your English now.
yeah, be careful with your language, huh? Because if you speak Malay, I'm afraid
Okay.
our guest didn't understand what he said and what he's talking about.
Your IELTS last time what you get?
Band 7,
Band 7, not
International English Learning Testing System.
Not Ben Uzair,
No, that's my friend.
Okay, wrong. Okay.
Okay, so
Okay.
we'd like to say welcome. This is a warm
Special
welcome
episode.
to
Yes.
our very
Saya
special
sebut dulu
guest.
nama dia betul, bukan dia faham ni Melayu.
Can you mention?
Kita ucapkan selamat datang to Obina Daniel Onuo.
Hello
Welcome,
guys.
bro.
Hello there.
Yeah,
Nice to
so
meet you guys.
we will be fully in English in this episode, because
Boleh.
yeah.
Boleh. Yeah, let's
Boleh
do
dia bilang. Macam boleh kau Melayu ni bro?
it. Oi, pandai ba? Jangan lupa.
3 malam saya berlatih yang English punya. Rupanya bully juga dia Melayu pula.
Boleh campur,
Okay.
boleh campur.
Okay. So first and foremost, welcome Obina Daniel Onuo ataupun we can call you Obi.
Obina dan Obi ya.
Obi
Obi,
pun boleh.
Obi pun
Wow.
boleh. Obi ya.
Obi, for those yang selalu on social media, of course you would see ataupun nampak terlimpas di you punya timeline
Like everywhere lah.
mana-mana
Kan?
wajah Obi sekarang.
Ya, betul.
Okay, his faces, dia posing pakai yang anu semua kan.
Yeah.
Ada. Tapi kalau yang tidak mengenali Obi, so that's the reason why kita panggil dia. Dia adalah rakyat Sabah yang pada ketika ini sedang berjuang dalam RTK. What's RTK bro?
RTK ni dia
RTK.
adalah
apa? Mesti Kamatan lah bah.
Rundawi apa?
Randawi
Tavantang Kamatan.
Betul.
Ah,
Dulu
gitu.
dulu dia guna MRK tapi yang baru punya ni yang run by Casey Jovial, orang guna Randawi
Tavantang.
Betul.
Ya.
RTK.
Yes.
Short
Betul.
RTK lah.
RTK.
Betul.
Before we go to masuk RTK dan sebagainya, Obi, can you short and sweet lah orang bilang.
Boleh.
Perkenalkan yourself.
Boleh.
Dia lahir bila, di mana, all those typical soalan orang
Typical
tanya you.
seorang.
Yeah.
Okay. Nama saya Obina Daniel Otigil. Berasal dari Kiningau Apin-Apin.
Oh,
Wow.
orang Sabah orang
Keningau.
Keningau.
Yes. My place,
Original.
my place.
Yes.
Original. Berumur 26.
Lahir tahun 2000.
2000 ngam 2000.
Oh.
Tahun naga.
Y2K.
Tahun naga.
Naga ya.
Oh,
Y2K
naga.
betul.
Dragon, I'm so scared. Dragon. Yeah.
Ngam sama dia punya karakter.
Yeah.
Kau jangan terlalu begitu. Gitu.
Dragon. Okay.
And lahir di Keningau, 26 tahun. You grew up in Keningau mostly ataupun di KK?
Kalau kotanya saya memang grew up di KK lah. KK.
Oh.
Sekolah dulu di?
Sekolah di Chonghua KK. Lepas tu pindah pergi Nigeria Form 1. Form 1 terus saya pindah pergi Nigeria.
Oh.
You mean you bersekolah di Nigeria?
Betul.
So you've
6
been
tahun.
there?
Ya, 6 tahun saya tinggal di sana.
Oh
itu antara
my
soalan kami
God.
actually. We thought that like all this while you memang di Sabah
Yeah,
saja. Oh, you
okay.
ada.
Ya.
And then habis sekolah baru balik ke Sabah lagi.
Ya, terus pergi UMS lah.
UMS.
Oh.
Betul.
Wow. So
Where in
impressive.
Nigeria, Masa?
Enugu State.
Enugu. How
Yeah.
far is it
Enugu.
from apa Nigeria punya ibu negara? Nah.
Nigeria is I lupa lah.
Tidak
ya.
masalah. I
Tapi
give you
selalu ya.
short. I'll give you short.
Selalu ingat tapi
ABC.
ya.
Okay, so basically kalau kau mau pergi Nigeria ni dia punya trip agak jauh.
Yeah.
So kalau kau tanya saya dari sini kau terbang pergi KL pergi Singapura
Singapura.
pergi Dubai
Dubai
pergi
to
Addis Ababa pergi Lagos. Lepas
Lagos.
Lagos baru
Pergi
pergi
your place.
Enugu my place ya.
Enugu. Oh my
Kalau
god.
nasi silap itu macam 2 hari ke
2
3
days,
hari.
2 days punya travel
Susah.
ni.
Dari Lagos
Wow.
pergi
Enugu, my place.
Enugu.
Ui, macam 8 jam kah?
8
Tapi itu
jam,
drive.
drive.
Ya, tidak. Dulu tidak kapal terbang, sekarang ada sudah.
Ada sudah.
Ya.
Zaman you study sana?
Tiada kapal
Tidak,
tu.
memang drive
Memang
lah.
drive. Kau akan nampak
Macam
banyak roadblock.
KK pergi sempurna lah Bani. Kan
Oi.
lebih kurang kan. Tapi
Ya.
dengan jalan-jalan yang
Oh.
Time dari atas
okay.
langit tu saya nampak. Saya cakap, cantik. Sekali saya sampai macam, this place is a ghetto.
Okay, kita will go to kita akan go
I like
to
that.
we'll go to that that sort of questions. So Obi sudah share dengan kita apa ni you punya nama asal dan sebagainya. Obi punya mother is from Keningau.
Betul.
Dusun Keningau.
Dusun
Dusun
yes.
Keningau
Itu yang-
di Apin-Apin lah.
Yes, Apin-Apin.
Itu yang Otigil lah.
Yeah, the Otigil,
family
yeah.
name.
Yes. Tapi dia macam ni. For my mom's side, actually kami ada banyak lagi. For example, my full name is Obina Daniel Aliun Otigil.
Okay.
Oh.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
That's
Okay.
the full name. Tapi we just try to shrink it supaya senang. You know what I mean? Yeah.
Senang tulis, senang
Yes,
apa
senang
semua
tulis,
kan, isi
senang-
borang.
Yes, senang isi borang. Tapi the real is Aliun Otigil is also part of the family.
Okay.
And you dua orang adik-beradik. You have your
Betul.
one elder brother.
Yes.
Okay. Macam mana the uniqueness of Obina ini boleh terwujud? Your mom met your dad di mana? Dan
Berjumpa.
Yalah,
Ya.
Ini soalan mungkin very cliche dan tipikal,
Ya.
tapi ramai yang orang tertanya-tanya like,
Mau tahu juga
macam
kan?
mana ini budak boleh end up lahir di Keningau?
Ha.
Kan tu ada abang di belakang ni ketawa dia sih.
Ya.
Dia anggap.
Macam mana pertemuan kali
Like how
pertama your mom and your dad tu?
end up like like your dad met your mom like
Story short, dulu my dad kan kerja dengan American company
Okay.
dari
Okay.
Nigeria. Dia ikut American orang terbang
Okay.
like they visit different countries. Terus sekali dia sampai Sabah, dia cakap, this is real Semandak.
oh, your mom lah.
This is yes.
Your mom lah.
Yes, this is real Semandak. Told my mom, stop working, come with me.
What a sweet guy, man.
So the rest is history.
Okay.
Okay.
So that was the history of macam mana lah yang
Yeah.
you guys punya family terwujud.
Very simple lah pertemuan yang begitu kan.
Very gentleman.
Stop working.
Come with me.
Cuma kau try. Kau belum kahwin kan? Kau belum kahwin kan?
Dia beb, kalau banyak duit dapat. Kalau kau tidak ada duit terus kau stop working anak orang, sengsara kita.
Betul juga, betul
dah boleh juga kan.
Okay, and then kalau orang usually jumpa Obi first time kan, would they assume you like Sabahan atau Malaysian terus diorang tahu, ataupun macam yang takut-takut like apa mau cakap sama dia ni ya? Ramai kah yang orang?
Okay, let's use this an example. Kan saya kerja di Kochimago.
Yeah.
Okay.
Shout out to my team members. I
Kalau-
love you guys.
Kalau mau jumpa dia Kochimago.
Kochimago betul yes. Yes. So kalau customer masuk, usually dorang ndak mau dekat saya, dorang cakap, "Ui, ini customer ni atau susah saya takut." Dorang cakap, "Macam dia nak pandai Melayu ni." Saya pergi
Okay,
cari
okay.
penjual
Orang
yang
wanita,
lain,
ya,
orang
betul,
lain.
betul, staff
Terus
lain.
saya approach dia, siap, "Miss, kau cari apa?" Dia cakap, "Ui, pandai pula kau cakap bahasa Melayu."
Itu selalu berlaku lah. always happen.
itu memang setiap kali it happen. Usually orang yang masuk ni either orang fikir saya ni pembeli like a shopper,
Okay.
tapi ataupun apa like
Ataupun staff yang
staff
kena hantar
yang
daripada
kena hantar,
ini
yes.
supaya monitor ke apa like that
Dia
lah.
mesti orang ingat pelancong lah apa ni dia bilang kan.
yeah.
Okay.
Usually foreigner.
So you grew up, you went through all those. You akan
Okay.
jumpa orang-orang yang first time atau tidak kenal you yang macam macam tidak berani atau macam mana?
Kalau kau tanya saya, time muda, it was a different story because this African tribe was not that trending. You know
Okay.
what I mean? Kan? The time muda, it was different. A bit of people sometimes call you black. You know, black wasn't a thing back in the
Yeah,
days.
yeah, yeah.
Black wasn't a thing.
Yeah.
But the moment we hit this 20s, you know, like 2023,
Yeah.
20 above, right? Africans started to become a culture. You know, what I mean, music everywhere, everybody's enjoying it. It's now a culture. You get me? So in this generation yang kami dalam sedang ni, it's very fun. You
I
know?
love it
Yeah.
when your transition from Sabahan to Sun slang, and then suddenly you speak English and you have that Nigerian vibe in you, you know, like it's like
I really love that, man. Yeah, betul.
Okay,
So
okay.
tapi kan macam saya tertarik sebenarnya tadi bila dia cerita dia you study di UMS kan.
Ya, betul.
UMS. So masa yang first time you datang di UMS tu, apa dia orang punya, how dia punya
Ini
reaction?
international student,
Gitu, ya.
International student.
Yeah.
Memang. Okay, at the end of the day kan, I'm grateful for UMS sebab saya punya qualification memang luar negara punya qualification.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Tapi they actually made it easy for me. Diorang cakap, okay, we let you inside the school. Kami kasih kau masuk ni sekolah, kau boleh. Terus I was like 19, terus saya masuk sudah
You
degree.
ambil what course was it?
Hubungan antarabangsa.
International relationship. Yeah.
Okay, nice,
Yeah,
nice.
so UMS was like, oh, okay, you know what? Come in.
Come.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's
Good
so
for them
lucky.
as well.
Yeah.
Pernahkah kena panggil nickname yang pelik-pelik zaman sekolah?
Zaman
Yang
sekolah
bila you
dulu.
ingat balik sekarang, Funny
Macam
pula.
lucu pula. Begitu.
You lagi sekolah Chunghwa KK.
Cuma ya betul.
Mixing with the Chinese. Lepas tu pergi sekolah menengah. Okay lah, di Nigeria dan kawan-kawan UMS lagi ada kah ni?
Kalau nasi kap kan when we're young ada this monster kah yang apa orang panggil orang minyak.
Okay.
But then again, looking back at those, right? Like I said, I mean masih muda, you get me? Like
Yeah.
this is-
I mean, if you get that now, it's very sensitive kan?
I mean, yeah.
Tapi kau masa kecil, you don't see that as
Yeah, we don't see
like,
that, but coming now, I start to understand like setiap orang ada opinion sendiri.
Yeah.
You know, and
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
freedom of that's our major
Yeah.
major right, you know, freedom to freedom of opinion,
Yeah.
freedom of speech, freedom of expression. So whatever people say, they can say it. You know what I mean, right? What can we do? We can't zip them out.
Yeah.
Tell them
Yeah,
keep
yeah,
quiet.
yeah.
Betul.
Kan mana boleh kan? Kalau macam tu maksudnya it's selfish for me to put only my opinion matter and
Yeah.
that guys.
Obi, I like how you look this matter this way. Sebab ada orang akan like, you know, they will
Very
preach, they will say like,
sensitive, yeah.
nope, there's not. But for you, you I wouldn't say empower, but you use that. It's a strong message from you. You know, like you can say you can do this and that. You can maybe zip his mouth, but yalah, you still macam
We let them
positive in life.
positive. You have to be positive
Yeah.
to be honest, because if we focus on the negative one, that is what we bring you down. Because we have to look at the bright side of our life. You get me, right?
Yeah.
So if we focus on the bad things, obviously we're going to have a reason to feel bad. Tapi if focus on the good things, you have more reason to feel good. It's always that small light that is good in the life, you know.
Itu.
Clip that, you know what they say
Saya
clip.
setuju, saya
There's a
setuju.
clip there, you know.
Dan saya setuju juga bila dia cakap, dia bilang mulut orang ni kita tidak boleh tutup kan, tapi kita boleh tumbuk. Yeah, always. Salah kah?
Kidding, not.
Iya. Takut pula nanti kamu ganas pula kan.
Masa zaman sekolah dulu, especially in Chunghwa, adakah teacher expect you to be like, wah ini wakil sekolah
Athletics.
Okay. Kalau macam tu, usually sebab coming from an African descendant,
Yeah.
so time saya di primary school, when it comes to athlete sprinting
Yeah.
semua tu,
Makanan lah.
Makanan.
Tiada hal lah.
Memang itulah betul.
Tapi itulah tu. So from primary 5 sampai primary 4 sampai primary 5 MVP. Tapi on primary 6 I let my ego take over me. Like I'm like, okay, no need training. I'll just go and dust these people. You know, I'm like, I'm gonna dust.
yeah?
That was when I
Tapi-
lost everything.
Okay.
I got third.
berapa banyak ramai orang panggil kau Usain Bolt dulu.
Okay, time saya punya primary school, I was like fast. You know what I mean? I was like without practicing, I was just there. You know what I mean? I was just running. So it did not end there.
Yeah.
When I went back to Nigeria kan, Form 5 lama sudah saya nak berlari kan. I was like, do I still have it in me kan? Sekali saya masuk high school,
Habis.
I did very well. Like I was like, oh man, I can still
You
run.
can
You know what I mean? So I was running against people who were like, they look like way older than me, you know,
Yeah,
because the maturity there. So and guess what? I still got second. You know what I mean? I was like,
Wow, the thing
I'm
is in your
surprised.
blood.
Exactly. I was surprised. I was like, "Uy."
Yeah, the spirit. It's in your blood. The Usain Bolt spirit.
I'm still.
Yeah.
I was wondering what I was running away from. You know what I mean?
There's not much problem pun tentu kan for you to run away from.
Yeah.
Okay. A good start in this short 13 minutes
Introduction.
Ko-Apa-Tahu
Yeah.
with Obi. We learn a lot about you. We know a lot about you sudah. Tapi it's quite interesting for me mau explore you punya life in Nigeria for that 5-6 years when you pergi high school. So kita akan kembali selepas ini. Kita rest kejap. Okay, macam-macam lagi sekolah pula. Macam-macam lagi soalan. Kepada anda di rumah kalau mau telefon boleh 088.
Bukan.
Oh, tiada.
This is not radio.
Oh, no kah?
Kita kembali lagi dalam
Ko-Apa-Tahu.
Ko-Apa-Tahu.
Kita kembali lagi di dalam
Ko-Apa-Tahu.
Coba we do it together.
Okay.
Okay.
Ko-Apa-Tahu.
Kita kembali lagi dalam
Ko-Apa-Tahu.
Oh, in English?
In English, you know what? Oh.
In your dad's punya ni language, not the
You know
English
what I'm saying?
Okay. Alright. Jadi kita
Abang,
masih
one more time. Ni kamera ni mau lagi satu
Alah,
kali.
suruh pula kamera
Aduh.
ni.
Okay, kau kembali, kita on 3 ya.
Okay.
Kembali lagi dalam
Ko-Apa-Tahu.
Inilah yang tidak alert buat kerja ni bang.
Okay, back
Cameraman kita ni
BTS
behind the scene. Sudahlah kerja behind the scene saja.
Aduh.
Lambat lagi. Okay.
Okay, dah.
So kita masih lagi bersama dengan Obina.
Yes.
Kita punya RTK.
RTK represent, dia menang, dia represent KK.
Yes.
So mungkin bila betul
Kelabakan.
kan? Sorry, Kalabakan.
Kalabakan.
Ya,
Kalabakan. Shout out to Kalabakan.
Macam mana you boleh terend up di Kalabakan?
The land of the green.
Oh, yo.
Kan?
Betul. Macam aku tengok ini pula Wakanda Forever.
Betul ya, macam tu ya. The land of the green.
Kind of forever.
Kan, okay, so
Okay.
mungkin bila this episode disiarkan sedang berlangsung lah, okay, the RTK. Yang pastinya kita sudah ask about his childhood, dia lahir di mana, about dia punya mixed heritage dan sebagainya. When habis dia punya sekolah rendah in Chung Hua KK, ni Hui Chiang Wai lah.
Hui.
So imago napen na ke orang-orang China terkejut lah bila see you like wah,这个
Chiang semua.
非洲人。
非洲人会讲华语啊。
Dia pandai yang anu punya. Bukan Mandarin
Tapi
lagi.
betul terkejut.
Yeah, I mean, if you can speak their language, for the Chinese people, if you speak their language, they'll feel like, oh, ini saudara saya, you know.
Oh,
Like,
yeah,
it's
yeah,
that,
yeah.
it's
Yeah,
that
dia very.
Yeah, they feel
it's a
very
plus point for
Yeah,
you.
it's a
Walau
plus point.
broken macam mana dia appreciate.
Betul.
Ya.
Saya pernah try itu di airport kan. Orang tu mau cas telepon bang.
Lepas tu?
Saya tanya lah, kei mah? Itu saya tahu kan. Terus dia bilang, oh kei. Dia bilang tidak boleh. Terus saya bercakap lama ni dia nak bully dia bilang. Kalau dia bercakap kan, okay, see you.
Itu yang kau tahu.
Dah so aku tahu.
Kau memang penipu bang. Benci saya. Okay,
Okay.
so you end up your high school which is around 2013.
2013.
13. Okay.
Yes.
You moved to Nigeria, to
Betul.
your kampung, your dad's kampung.
Betul, yes.
Macam mana itu came about? Did your family say like, your parents bilang macam yang, okay lah, kau kena belajar atau rasa kau punya culture di sana, atau macam
I
mana?
think dia macam ni sebab the education system time tu for us, right? My dad was like, alah kamu fokus buat sukan-sukan saja. Kalau lah kau patah kaki kau, apalah yang kau akan buat kalau kau nak pandai belajar kan?
Faham.
So itu memang penting lah, you know what I mean. Untuk bapa saya dia cap pelajaran ni sangat penting. So he was like, you know what? Baguslah kau pergi Nigeria, kau belajar.
Okay.
So dia mau kami belajar juga dia punya culture, you know what I mean, know how life is not easy. Yang kalau saya hantar kau pergi sana, then you will learn how to appreciate life even more. So time saya pergi sana, I saw the worst of worst.
Okay.
Sometimes tiada air, sometimes tiada lampu, sometimes makanan susah mau dapat. Tapi this is all part of training. Sebab kalau lah kau balik dari sana kan, kau akan menikmati. Kau
Terbiasa
punya,
sudah
you know
kan,
what I mean,
dah tu,
ya.
yeah,
Biarpun
used
kau
to.
tidur di lantai pun kau cap, ada lantai pula tidur.
You appreciate lah.
Yeah.
You appreciate.
Kau belajar macam mana appreciate, you know what I mean. So life ni bukan easy kan. Asalkan kau ada bumbung, kau ada tilam, you start to appreciate. Sebab sekarang banyak orang komplain, saya tidak ini, saya tidak itu. Tapi kamu lupa yang kamu ada semua sudah, which is the most important, the liberty
The
of life,
basic
you know, the
of
best,
life, yeah.
exactly, which is house, roof, food. These ones sometimes kan orang lain di luar tu, dorang tidak. And then we're here complaining, we don't have this, we don't have this, you know what I mean kan.
Saya suka. Ini yang saya selalu cakap ini kan. Bagian
Because,
komplain-komplain ini.
it's Saya tidak payah cakap banyak dia.
Betul, dia
cakap
sudah
banyak.
explain.
So,
Yeah, that's it.
bila you pergi sana,
Yeah.
you were staying with
I was staying in asrama.
it's a
boarding school, yes, boarding
Okay.
school.
your dad family sana adalah.
Family wise bukan yang sangat directly
uncle
sibling,
ya,
tapi yang
punya ini.
jauhnya sedikit. So for our family, for our side is like this. Nothing is free in life. We believe that. So if you tinggal dengan orang, for you to makan, you have to work.
Okay,
For example,
wow.
now what do? We wash the car, we clean the floor. So basically, we do all
Yeah.
these maid jobs in order for us to receive a reward. So that means whatever. For example, air kami pergi well lah, kami pergi the well.
Can you bagi, okay, we can Google it,
Yeah.
of course,
Yeah.
your kampung sana kan.
Yeah.
Tapi kalau you can bagi sedikit description
Describe.
of the place, macam mana kampung you ni ataupun that.
Dia punya
Okay.
suasana. dia
Kalau kau cap
surrounding.
city life, saya tinggal di macam all this not rest house tapi macam apartment, tapi not in a sense of luxurious one, tapi macam like a ghetto apartment.
Okay,
you know,
apartment
like
lama, like,
apartment
okay,
lama
okay.
macam
Like
tu,
PPRT lah
Like-
kalau in
Yeah.
KL kan.
3 orang, me, my brother and one other boy, we share one same
Dia
room.
pun kena hantar
Oh
satu
yeah,
kali.
udah
Okay.
itu yang itu karena scam tu.
Oh, kenapa?
Dia cap, bapak saya cap,
Kau pergi kasih kawan saja.
ya, kau pergi kawan saya lah, kami pergi sana holiday, lepas tu we come back. I just want to show you my culture. Sekali dia bawa dia cap, coba kau stay sikit di sekolah ini. Hilang dia balik pergi Malaysia. Oh, saya memang sengsara.
Oh, have to stay sama you.
And my
Tidak
abang
ready
told me,
lagi.
dia call saya, dia cap, Obi, whatever you do not come here. I swear, don't come
Oh, dia
here."
pergi dulu bagan.
Ya, dia pergi dulu. Dia call saya, dia cap, dia dapat itu phone. Dia dapat itu phone daripada host dia Mas ya. Obina, if I were you, kalau kau pintar, kau jangan datang sini. Terus saya cap, mana ada teruk macam tu. Sekali saya sampai, I was like,
Memang betul.
"Ah."
Memang betul.
first day of class, like first day of my boarding school, semua orang bangun pagi jam 5 start to menyanyi.
Yeah, oh my
praise the
God.
Lord.
Nigeria culture lah.
Oh, I was like, oh my God. And then setiap orang mesti botak. Perempuan pun botak. You know when you
Yeah,
watch
yeah,
Wakanda,
yeah.
you see all the
Yeah,
bald.
yeah.
It's normal to be bald there.
Yeah, yeah.
In
It's
Nigeria.
very normal, yeah. Everybody was bald there. And I was like, this was the first time I felt my skin on my head. I was like, wih, botak pula saya ni.
Betul-betul your dad kasih belajar you culture
Ui,
sana and like,
memang.
was that his school kah dulu?
Oh tidak, the school I went to was okay. Tapi it's still considered a disciplinary school. So that means kalau lah let's say saya tangkap kau bising dalam kelas kan, kau tahu apa dorang boleh buat? Dorang boleh tahu kau sini kau pergi to asphalt punya
Iya,
the
panas,
road,
aspal.
kau pergi baring
Baring
di sana.
sana. Panas,
Kepala
panas.
kau yes di lantai. That is just small. Itu yang small punishment. Ada juga yang kalau kau buat salah, kau kena sebat. Our sebat is real sebat. Like
Tidak yang pap tidak.
itu Malaysia sikit saja tu. Tapi our level of sebat,
Macam-macam.
like one stroke, your whole face will become red.
Ayo.
Like literally, dorang will check kau punya seluar, make sure kau tidak
Tidak
pakai
buku
boxer yang
ke
thick.
apa-apa.
Ya,
Kalau sini taruh buku kan?
just tahu kau baring. The first one they give you directly reach your neuron. Be like, what am I doing here? I tell you, the first time I received my first sebat because
Apa kau bikin?
oi.
Jajal punya.
Jajal ya.
Jajal.
Sebab saya dari Malaysia, you know what I mean. So saya pergi sana culture shock saja. Ui, kenapa tak boleh buat ini pula? Saya buat saja bah ini kan.
Yeah, yeah.
Saya
Questioning everything.
Ya, saya kan international student. Apa
Yeah.
kisah saya dengan dorang ni? Sebab I saw myself as like, I don't know what this thing. I'm international. So I did something really bad. Let's just summarize it. Heist.
Okay.
Me and one other guy from America. We did a heist, the biggest heist. And then one day they caught us. So yeah, we went through 12 strokes. 12 solid strokes. The first 6 strokes that I received, I stood up. I told anybody that if you give me anything right now, I will definitely destroy any teacher here. Because that was the first time. And I was just like 14 years old. But this was just like me going to the prison to receive a punishment, you know. That's what we call training that's what we call hardcore training, you know. When I was there, I was like, oh my God. I called my mom. I told Mom, I cannot. My mom was crying on the phone. She said, Daddy, like she said, why they do this to my child? You know, like my
Dia ada
mom.
pujuk kah? Your dad suruh bawa lagi
Yeah,
orang
bawa
balik.
dia balik.
Tapi-
And then, sama lagi. Hey, our parents did not allow us to come back because they know that if we come back,
So that 6 years you were there tidak ada
they
balik.
never came back because they know that if we step our leg back in Malaysia,
tidak akan balik.
we will not go back. The
Yeah,
first thing I
betul.
did when I came back to Malaysia, I kissed the ground. Mwah, I'm back home. I'm back home.
Two question for me when about your time in Nigeria.
Yeah.
Nombor satu, same lah. Masa you di sini, adakah orang-orang macam were you like macam yang I'm Sabahan, I'm Nigerian,
Oh,
people
that's
will
a
take
great
me that,
question.
and then bila you move sana pun people will question. Okay,
Great
you're
question.
Nigerian,
That's a great question there.
you're
Okay,
Nigerian,
so-
but, like you're not Nigerian. So
When I went back to Nigeria, me and my brother, we are basically called Malay boys.
Malay boys.
Oh.
Malay, they say Malay, come here.
By the locals,
Malay,
yeah.
Malay, yeah, they call Malay, come here. And then now I come back here. They call me African. So my initial thought is
Yeah.
like, you know what? I should just move to France where I look normal. You know, when you go to
Yeah,
France,
yeah.
there are a lot of
Like
people that
that.
look like
Yeah.
me, you know,
Yeah.
we look normal. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to embrace Sabahan to the fullest.
Yeah.
So I'm like, you know what? I'm going to be proud of this culture. I'm
Yeah.
just going to embrace it full blast. You know what? And then that's when I started to jadi president Persatuan Sungai. I did the videos going around with Sungai. Then I was like, one of my video I just sparked. I was like, you know what? I'm gonna join the next RTK, but that time I said MRK because I was still not
Yeah,
aware
yeah,
of this
yeah, yeah.
because the new one is RTK. I said I'm going to join the next RTK. So I said the video, I said that one, then that thing went viral. People were like, okay, we wait for you, okay, wait for you. Then I was like, I text my uncle, I said, uncle, how? Then that's when my uncle directed me to
Yeah.
them.
Oh,
House of Dinner,
okay.
yeah.
So the
see.
story start di situ lah. Sebab
Yeah.
kita actually mau tanya juga dia kan.
No,
Yeah.
it's a good inspiring story.
Yeah.
You know, like
Yeah.
because we had what's the name?
Apa tu?
Before this we interviewed
Cora.
before this.
Cora is a mixed
Cora was here
Australian,
before
yeah,
this.
yeah.
She shared as a same struggle, you know,
Yeah.
like macam saya orang putih, saya orang dusun, you know,
Yeah,
this kind of
betul.
story. So it's good that you share this kind of stories to embrace, to empower, you know, those who was in a similar situation with you lah. And congratulations on the RTK. Soalan saya kedua about your time in Nigeria tadi is about yalah you punya confused saya Nigerian kan saya ini. Biggest lesson you learn your 6 years,
6 years.
in Nigeria
Mm,
about about everything lah, not just about being there, discipline and all.
Okay.
About your culture there, about you shared few about life.
Yeah, about life,
Apa
yeah.
lagi yang you rasa like okay, ini yang saya bawa balik, and okay, I'm a changed person maybe in a way.
I'd say when it comes to understanding the standard of living, you know what I mean, like people who are living here, like I said, we are so privileged, and it's hard for me to tell others, you know what I mean, because they have not gone through what I've gone through.
Yeah.
But if I tell the Malaysians now, majority of people, right, even though most of you are living in a normal apartment, everything, but that is privilege, because the mattress that we stay in, it's like the one yang berhabuk sudah, you know. Kalau kau macam ni, kau boleh
Keluar tu habuk
yeah.
tu kan.
All the-
Yeah, you know what I mean. Yeah, and then I mean, at the end of the day, you see life in a different way. Like I said, you start to understand life. Like when I went there and living here, right here, everything is abundant. Tapi di sana, it's like you have to give
Scarce.
something. You know what I mean? You have to give something in exchange for
Yeah.
something. You know, nothing is free. So when you see people on the street, they are hustling. So if you ask me, what is hustling?
That is hustling, not
I swear.
not our hustle lah.
Yeah, if you see the hustle there, oh my god, it's like real hustling. Here, you have so many routes to become something. You know what I mean? Like
Yeah.
there's so many opportunities. You know what I mean? It's an open opportunity. Tapi sana kan, the struggle there is just too much.
Real lah.
The rich become richer, the poor become poorer. You know what I
Yeah.
mean, right? Yeah. So that's why anytime people are rich, they will just go outside the country rather than fixing their country. They decide to say, you know what, let's just get out of this place. You know, because there's nothing to fix. Like,
But
for
you're
them.
still proud of your
Definitely,
your,
we're
definitely,
proud.
right?
You know what I mean? I'm
Yeah.
still proud, and I always embrace it. I will never run away from
Yeah,
it.
yeah,
Like
yeah.
I'm born with both cultures, but then again, now that I'm in Sabah, I will embrace Sabah at the fullest. You get me, right? But when I'm back there, whichever country I go to, I will respect their culture. That is the right way.
Yeah.
But despite all the things that you been struggle of
Yeah.
the Nigeria, what is the most thing yang you like about Nigeria?
Oh, I say the social life. The social life there is
Tell us,
amazing.
educate us.
I'd say that. Okay, I'll say, for example, now, when we play music, right? When you walk on the street, you play music, it is going to be awkward for you to start dancing, right?
Betul.
But
Okay.
there is a different story. When they play good music, you see people dancing on the street
Yeah.
together,
Yeah,
you know, like
yeah,
that.
they're enjoying the music.
You know, they enjoy the
Yeah.
music. You know what I mean? Even me, as a Sabahan, that I don't like dancing. Okay, tapi all of a sudden my shoulder will start moving.
Your African side keluar. Oh, I didn't know this. Ini tiada tapi sama.
I can tell you, like the way that these people celebrate and the way that they dance, right? It is so inspiring. Like even you that don't know how to dance, right? You'll be forced to join, because even my brother, shy guy, all of a sudden I was seeing him in our school. This guy started dancing. Uy, tiba-tiba this guy pandai menari. You see him at the back dance, he was moving shoulders like,
Can you share a bit with us? Is it memang the African culture dancing tu
Yeah,
is
diorang
the
macam
way
like-
of diorang release stress, release. I'm lucky enough to experience this as well. I pernah pergi South Africa.
Yeah.
I went to a match, Soweto Derby they call it, Kaizer Chiefs against Orlando Pirates. On the way to the stadium, you bayangkan ini KK, Stadium Likas is Stadium Likas.
Yeah.
All the way
Menari.
menari siring jalan.
Kan?
And kereta will stop, orang menari, you know, like you know, like
Mungkin memang di dalam
Is it-
I mean,
jiwa sudah.
I feel like it's a liberation in them. You get
Yeah.
me, right?
Oh.
That's to show that in a life of struggle, right? They always have a reason to be happy. You know what I mean?
That's it.
That's how it is. You know? You
Yeah.
understand what I mean? Like for us, it's a different thing. You know what I mean? For us, we think, oh, it's awkward. Why they dance? You know?
Yeah, yeah.
But for them, right? As long as they're happy, nobody
Apa
matters.
tadi? As long
As long as they're happy.
as long as
As long as they're happy.
As long as they're happy, nobody matters in their
Yeah,
life. Like
yeah.
they're just going to dance it, and then at the end of the day, you'll be like, you know what? I want to join also. Like,
Bro, if we can relate this back kan to your story about struggle kan, you say you
Yeah.
tidur di mattress
Yeah,
kalau you
berhabuk,
hampas pun
yeah,
habis,
semua.
itu di boarding school.
Yes.
What more di kawasan kampung or rumah diorang maybe lagi
Exactly.
teruk kan. But they don't see that as apa
a
orang
reason
kata,
to be
torture.
sad.
Mm.
Exactly.
You know, I'll be happy, you know.
I'll be
I'll
happy,
dance
you know.
it off,
Yeah.
or I'll do this, you know, like
Yeah, I'm telling you, even the food, right? I can tell you the food. Yeah, the food. Okay, when I went there at first, the first food I tried, the Nigerian food I tried was okba. The first bite I took, I was like, ah! I was like,
Okba
what?
is apa?
Okba is like orange. It's like tapioca, tapioca,
Okay,
something.
tapioca.
something.
Bila.
I ate it. I was like, what's this?
Okay.
Then my father told me, this is powerful, you know. Then suddenly I stayed in the hostel with my brother. We got served okba. I was like, what's this? My brother said, give me, I want. I was like, why you want this? I gave it to him. Then one day I took a deep bite. I started to feel, I was like, this thing is not bad though.
Okay.
This thing is not bad though. Then I was like,
Power
okay,
food.
this is actually power food. This is not bad. And I started to enjoy. I was like, oh my god,
Then become your-
give me more.
Jadi favourite pula.
Yeah. Tapi di sana lain. In our boarding school, you cannot just
Yeah.
one okba per person. You know what I mean? Tapi
Oh.
there we tend to do deals. For example, now, okay, I give you this okba.
Hustle lagi,
Yeah. Everybody is gambling.
Yeah.
I give you this okba. What do you give me? Oh, I give you my rice tomorrow.
Oh.
Like food was literally money there. Tapi the biggest
Wow.
money there was bread.
Oh.
Bread. Like literally everybody would do anything for bread. You hide bread, they would take it from you.
Yeah.
You cannot hide bread. Like literally, bread was like gold back in my school. So if you carry a pack of bread on your back,
Habis lah
right? Oh, you're like Santa Claus.
You just
Santa.
imagine kan, bread pun sangat berharga.
I'm telling you, bread.
Bagi
Bread was
dorang kan.
in my school. Bread was gold. Like if like you can drop a bread on the table, you look left, you look right, it's gone.
It's
Wow.
I mean,
Yeah,
it's good
yeah.
that you brought this up sebab ini bagi orang di luar sana, kawan-kawan kita Sabahan or Malaysian yang tengok ni, like how orang comparison dia lah, value dia lah.
Yes.
Like macam mana you hidup di Nigeria dengan di sini, especially for those yang banyak complain
Compare
this and
always,
that.
every time.
So itu contoh paling berharga yang you can share with us.
Bread, exactly.
Okay.
Roti.
Good to know. Great story about your life in Nigeria. Selepas kita kembali ni, kita mau go through your RTK journey.
Boleh.
Yes.
You ready for that?
Yes,
Okay.
let's go.
So, kembali selepas ini. Kau tahu.
Kopedao. Hello guys, welcome back to Kau Apa Tahu.
Oh iya.
Macam kau boleh sudah ni berhenti?
Saya?
Sudah host baru.
Astaga.
Minggu depan janganlah kau. Kami ada sudah
Saya
baru.
tidak sudah.
Kami mau international punya.
International punya.
Yeah.
Saya international ba?
Ya, dia akan buat yang Nigeria punya.
Oh,
Kita punya viewers di Nigeria.
Cawangan lah.
Di what's your kampung kan?
Enugu.
Enugu. Cawangan punya.
Cikgu-cikgu dia yang lama tu. Oh, this is my student.
Oh. Okay, so kembali lagi bersama dengan Adnan dan Farish.
Yes.
And Obina, of course. Banyak betul sudah yang cerita-cerita daripada tadi.
Yeah.
Dia punya life di Nigeria, macam mana all the struggles in Nigeria,
Yeah.
the culture there, and
Yeah.
macam-macam lagi. Tapi kita mau menuju
Puncak.
lebih dalam lagi ni.
Ya, betul.
Pasal dia punya Randawi.
Light lah. Dia punya Randawi Tavantang Kamatan RTK yang dahulunya MRK, sekarang guys is RTK.
RTK.
Siapa racun you untuk join?
Mm.
Of course
Okay.
you ada kasih tahu tadi, you main-main cakap.
Okay, yeah.
Tapi siapa lagi yang bilang, okay tu,
Pergilah.
okay.
When is the time?
Oh, dia macam ni ya. Dari mencabar daripada TikTok, cabaran, lepas tu it became actually that this was not just a cabar, tapi it's actually a legacy. Sebab my mom dulu kan untuk ngadau.
Yes,
Oh,
nombor 3.
yeah.
Tahun
1993 kan, jauh lama dulu
Yeah,
ya,
yeah.
you know what I mean. So
Okay.
my mom joined dulu untuk ngadau, so I was like, oh, now I understand that this is not just
yes.
apa
It's a calling.
cabaran, it's now a calling.
Oh, it's
the
like-
spirit just came out.
Wow.
It came out,
Yeah,
and then
yeah.
once we kena cabar, we just have to go for it. You know what I mean?
Betul.
Regardless of how people we say, whatever matters the most is the legacy.
Yeah.
Mula-mula bila you cakap-cakap tu kan, you macam it's a joke bahkan.
It's a
Main-main
joke.
kan.
Memang
kau
joke.
tengoklah saya join ni MRK
it's
lo
joke,
kan.
it's a joke.
Kau tengoklah ni.
Sekali
Sekali.
itu roh masuk,
Itu roh
the
masuk.
spirit,
Yeah.
barulah you betul-betul
Tapi
join.
the truth is like this, okay? It was like this. I was like, after saying that a year, like 1 year, which was on May, the last year punya May atau
Yes,
June kan?
yes.
Then this year came in, I was like, no, I'm not gonna join that thing. So I did not prepare at all. I
Yeah.
did not prepare even until the last minute. My uncle just text message. So macam mana? Aku masih ikut kah? So saya cakap, gas. One gas.
Luar biasa, Bang.
Let's just go. And then I was worried about my preparation. He said, don't worry. We assign you somebody that will guide you through this.
Yeah.
And I was like, okay.
Right.
So that's how I met House of Deanery.
Yes.
House of Deanery.
Right. Okay. Shout out to House of Dini. Okay.
Yes.
Yang bawa Obi ke sini dan jaga dia juga. Okay, Obi, when orang nampak kontes macam ni kan, orang kalau yang di luar tu orang akan cakap it's all about looks,
Yeah.
looks. Kau
Betul,
mesti
betul.
nampak ini, nampak handsome. Tapi apa yang you sudah sertai for the awal punya ini, apa yang you rasa like no, this is not just about look. It's
Yes.
more than that.
Betul. So when I ikut this pertandingan, I realized that it's not all about looks only. It's about the people who actually know much about their culture. You know what I mean? So betul, I'm not yet fussy in my bahasa ibunda. That's the truth, but that does not mean I should not learn. You know what I mean, right?
Yeah, yeah.
And
And it's never too late.
exactly,
to
it's
learn.
never too late to learn. You know what I mean? Kalau lah semua orang fikiran macam saya, like okay, because I look different, that means, you know what, I can just forget about my culture. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Let's say that thing continues to go on.
Yeah.
What will
Then-
happen to Kamatan?
Betul.
You know what I mean? Like, what will happen to Kamatan? Kamatan is one of the best season for me. I think so. You know what I mean? It's so lively. It reminds
You always
me.
go. You always learn.
I mean, yeah, I love to go to KDC. You know what I mean? But thank you. You know, I realized one thing, that the current RTK, the person who is handling it, Casey Jovial, right? He's so flexible. You know,
Passionate
You know,
about
you're
it.
passionate
Yeah,
about. You know what I mean?
yeah.
He was like, he did not see it as just a color. You know, he was like, you know what? Get this guy in.
Yeah.
Like this guy proved himself, right? You know what I mean? Let's send him to the finals. No, he was like, Casey Joe was like, hey, let this guy go in. You know, I see potential in this guy. So the guy just gave me an opportunity. I was like, what? You know, actually, I did not make it to the final. I was so sad because I was like, oh, how will I, like, what will I do now? All my supporters were like, Obina, we want you to reach the final at least. You know, like Obina. Then I was like, I was so sad and depressed because I was unable to meet the expectations of my supporters. Then all of a sudden, while I was sobbing at the back, I was sad. Then all of a sudden, they mentioned it like, okay, Totu Obina, you're going to enter the finals following wildcard. I was like, what? Everybody started celebrating. We started celebrating together. Then I realized that the person who actually gave me the opportunity was the current organizer of this competition, which was Casey Joel.
Casey, yes.
He gave me the opportunity. He said, good luck, bro. You know, and there were so many supporters there. Even all the previous RTK, he came to me and told me, bro, congratulations, we see you. You know what I mean? Like, you know, they are so supportive. You know, like the inside, the judges, I don't blame them.
Yeah.
I love how they did their job. It's not all about at least they did their job well. You know what I mean, right? People were like, oh, expecting me to win this thing, but then again, they did not let the peer pressure on them. They still did their job very
Yeah,
well.
yeah.
So I don't judge them. They did a very good job. You know what I mean? There was no corruption. It was all smooth.
Can
Yeah.
I add on from outside punya perspective, okay,
Yeah.
like me, yang kita tengok saja daripada luar.
Yeah.
Of course, it's a thing now lah. If you see on the social media talking about heritage, Sabahan, Kadazan Dusun, heritage Kadazan Dusun yang ada campuran dan sebagainya. It's for me personally, it's a breath of fresh air to see, you know, like okay, how we
Different,
embrace.
yeah.
Yalah, nowadays tidak boleh cakap you saja. I cakap sebelum ni, we have Korah sama
Korah
juga
sama,
atau
yes.
orang-orang lain Japanese dusun or whatever. It's a thing now in Malaysia, in Sabah, you know. So it's good that we embrace it. We step out from our norms ataupun kebiasaan and to have, you know,
Exactly, something new,
empowering lah.
Empowering, you know,
Yeah,
like
yeah.
it's not because of how you look that you should forget where you came from. You
Yep.
know what I mean? Like I said, if this thing is practiced, for example, now kalau lah, if I never took this step, I believe that slowly people will start forgetting. You know what I mean? Kamatan will just be a perayaan where we just drink. You know what I mean? And we forget the reason why we actually embrace Kamatan is not because of drinking only. It's all about the unity, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's where families gathers, you know what I mean? Like, it's a big thing, you know what I mean, right? It shows that we should appreciate that this like Sabah punya tanah ni, it's actually rezeki, you know what I mean? Like, we have so much natural resource, you know, we have the opportunity to be one of the richest country, you know what I mean, right?
Yeah.
That's what I believe, you know what I mean? So it's not all about drinking only, it's celebrate
It's more than that,
It's
beyond
more than
that.
that, you know what I
Yeah.
mean? It's beyond that.
Yeah. Tapi kan aku ada soalan actually kan. Macam mungkin tidak terlambat untuk kita tanya dia kan.
Boleh.
Actually in you mana yang lebih kuat, yang lebih strong? Sama ada the Sabah side ataupun the Nigeria side. Yeah.
Okay, that is a great question. That is a
Yeah.
very great question. Tapi given the fact that I stay here longer, I think I'm able to embrace the idea. You know what I mean? Like bringing the idea of Sabahan to Nigeria and also, you know, embracing both at once. You know what I mean? But
Yeah.
then again, if you look at the current me, I think I'm pure
Sabah.
Sabahan. You get
Sabah
me?
lah.
Like Sabah,
Yeah.
Sabah.
Yeah.
But if you need me to speak and defend for my Nigeria,
Nigeria
whatever, I will. Yes,
Yeah.
World Cup.
World Cup Nigeria lah.
Okay,
Of course.
maybe Malaysia we didn't enter World Cup, but we at least have
Okay, I put you
Nigeria.
on the spot. Kalau Malaysia layak World Cup, jumpa Nigeria semi-final World
Which
Cup.
one?
Oi, siapa menang pun saya cheers
Dia
dia.
dua-dua. Baju dia sebelah-sebelah.
Yeah.
I
Nigeria
will pakai Malaysia dalam atau Nigeria luar.
Tidak,
Siapa
bro.
yang menang pun.
Tidak, bro. Kau buat half-half. Kita buat half-half.
Boleh. Saya duduk di tengah. half is Malaysian punya supporter, half is Nigerian. So saya duduk di ngam-ngam tengah-tengah sana.
Saya mau tanya tadi, throwback balik ke pergi punya RTK punya Jenny.
Yeah.
Macam mana you punya parents punya orang bilang tu, yalah perception bila you macam
Join the-
and then
yeah.
you tidak dapat mula-mula and then you dapat, macam mana diorang punya reaction and
Okay,
all?
at first,
Support as well.
when I joined the
Yeah.
competition, my mom was so stressed out because she was like, I have so many to think. Now my son joined the RTK, which was
Yalah,
it was
betul,
so
betul.
much for her to think. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Because it was so big for her, you know what I mean. And then obviously for a mom, she said that my son is being spoke in many ways, you know what I mean.
Yeah,
But
of
I
course.
told my mom, relax, okay. I take the bullet for the next generation. So this is a step that I meant to take. You get me,
Satu
right?
lagi saya bagi.
Well, take
Yeah,
the
man.
I
bullet,
take the
bro.
bullet for the next
Yeah.
generation.
Yeah,
is
you
a
know what
good
I mean.
one.
So that let's say the next generation, this ever happens again, right? They can say, "Hey, Obina join pula apa masalah?" You know what I mean, right?
Yeah.
At least what I did now was to create a space for the next generation where I believe that they can embrace their culture happily. You know what I mean? Just in case somebody say, "Hey, you cannot," they be like, "Hey." Saya baca pun tak boleh, you know what I mean, right? So at the end of the day, we realize that it's not all about the looks or the color of the skin. It's all about how proud you are. You know what I mean? The unity of how proud you are with your budaya. You know what I mean, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wina, kenapa Sabah ini so special for you?
Why?
We have to say the festivals. That's one, you know what I mean? Festivals, the people, you know what I mean? Okay, yes, they are good and bad people, but the good ones are more. You get me? This is just like, it reminds me of Hawaii, you know what
Yeah,
I mean? We have
yeah,
the
yeah.
opportunity to be like Hawaii, you know, the vibe here is so good, you know what I mean? We have the beaches, we have the mountains, we have everything, you know what I mean? It's like, we have New Zealand right there,
Yeah.
we have a Bali right there,
Yeah.
we have so many things going on.
Yes.
Maybe the only thing we need now is just to tolak the waves, kasih the waves kuat sikit supaya orang boleh start surfing. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
Like,
Sekarang surfing kudat pun orang pergi surfing
kudat,
kudat.
yeah.
yeah, we just need to push the wave. But I can tell you that KK is so abundant. You know what I mean? Like when I met some of my friends yang di luar negara kan,
Yeah.
dorang jumpa saya cakap, bro, I never know that this place exists.
Yeah.
Tapi for us yang tinggal sini, sangat boring sebab KK semua orang tahu
Betul,
semua.
betul.
Tapi when I came back, I start to appreciate more. Like we have so many things to do here. You know,
Exactly.
there's so
Yeah.
many. For example, Kunasang, it's a place where you can take a breath. You know what I mean? Like it's so chill. You know, you're able to embrace the city life, the cultural life. You know what I mean? It's
Tinggal
all around.
lagi, all of us we need to work together
Yes.
instead of blaming each other. Instead of ini tugas kau, ini tugas kau,
Yes.
ini kerja kau. Work together to ensure this state, this
Remains the
beloved
same.
state to like
Yeah.
how we elevate them.
Yeah,
Exactly.
actually we have a lot kan.
Yeah.
Banyak benda-benda yang
So
kita
much. You know what I mean?
kita always yang macam yang alah boring lah di sini, boring di sini, padahal kita tidak terokai lagi. We
Betul.
never macam mau discover everything
Betul.
yang ada
There's
kan.
so many. I tell you,
Yes.
there's so many. And I believe that the younger generation is our future. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
If we are able to empower them early, I believe that Sabah has a good plan ahead. You know what I mean, right?
Yeah.
There'll be a good future. So we start from the younger generations. You know what I mean? If we don't start now,
Yeah.
Who's
Good that
gonna-
you touch younger generation.
Yeah.
My next question is, if one day you ada anak,
yeah.
you mau anak you bangga pasal heritage dia yang macam mana? Like, especially macam you punya.
Yeah.
Like I want him to, like macam you like rich in heritage kan, like like macam mana you mau dia bangga dia punya.
So for the plan is like this. Okay, for my own plan is kalau boleh, like let's say if God allow me, definitely I want to kawin dengan a local. You know what I mean?
Okay.
So from the beginning of that age, I want my son to start learning dusun.
Yes.
Or my daughter
Okay.
dusun. You know, so that I believe that it's always starts from the young age. You know what I mean? If you don't start from a young age, this development, you know what I mean? It's the interest is
Yeah.
not there. You know what I
Yeah.
mean? Even though you mix it all up, I believe that they will learn eventually. You know what I mean? So I think the most important step I'm taking now is to marry a Bumi Putra. You know, as long as
And
she
you
can
will
speak.
encourage them to
Exactly.
speak. Would that be your I wouldn't say regrets, mungkin
Yeah.
if you can turn back time, adakah itu like things yang
Kau mau belajar
you mau
sebenarnya.
dulu
Yeah.
masa muda belajar?
I wish I learned my bahasa ibunda. You know what I mean? Like
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
actually fresh. You know, like people
Both side, not just the Dusun side, the
Not the-
Nigerian side as well.
everything, you know, we
Yeah,
learn
yeah.
all. If you can embrace all the language, that would be
Yeah.
the best. You know what I mean? Because I see this language macam password pula. You know, like a
Yeah.
code. You know, you speak to people. You know, like.
You imagine you jumpa that guy si Yuki tu, bro, I think I know your language. You know that guy on
Yeah,
TikTok.
yeah,
You know,
and
lepas tu
then
kau-
you start
dia boleh cakap
lepas tu
Yoruba.
kau cakap Dusun,
Dia pun faham je.
dia tidak faham.
Dia
What language is that?
So dia
Kena hang dia
Kan?
terus. Kena hang ya.
betul.
Yeah,
Tapi kan
yeah.
kita always mau macam tanya lah, macam dia as a young punya generation yang masuk in this culture punya things, apa yang sebenarnya you want to tell to the younger? Apa yang kau betul-betul macam-macam yang kamu sebagai orang muda, what do you want to say to them?
I want to tell them that you have to be proud of your culture. You know what I mean? Just be proud so that you can bring a good change. You know what I mean, right? I know we're living in a generation where everything is so technological. You know what I mean, right?
Yeah.
Zaman akan tukar tapi budaya tetap sama.
That's it.
Kan, you know what I mean?
Zaman tetap tukar tapi
Zaman akan tukar,
ya.
tapi budaya
Zaman akan
tetap
tukar
sama.
tapi budaya tetap sama.
Yes, you know what I
That's
mean.
a
Yeah, so we have
beautiful
to keep
words.
it like that. You know what I mean, right? We are going to evolve in the generation, but that does not mean we should forget our culture. You know what I mean,
Yeah.
right? So what I'm doing, that is what I'm doing right now. So obviously, my next generation will live this culture. You know what I mean? We're going to uphold it. Until next, I'm going to do the same.
Thank
Yes.
you, Obi. Thank you.
Wow.
Thank you for such an
Inspiration.
inspiring session with you. Sangat-sangat best, sangat-sangat
Yes.
membuka minda. And yeah, thank you just for you being here. I know you're busy, you bekerja, you ini. But
Ya, betul.
dia punya cerita begini ya. Saya kena bicara saya sikit pasal bini saya suruh cakap juga. Dia bilang, you must make sure you cakap ini ya. Pasal bini saya hari itu pergi Imago.
Ya, betul.
I jumpa that guy. Dia bilang, which guy? Dia bilang, yang sekarang tengah viral gini-gini. Saya tanya dia pasal bag. Dia bilang, tapi dia bilang belum ada. Jadi dia bilang, nanti so saya tanya dia tadi, what do you want me to ask Obina? You ask him, sampai ke sudah bag saya. Dia bilang,
Hey, what's your wife's name?
Zara.
Miss Zara,
Nanti kita
please
cek
remind me again. Saya tolong kau check back kau. I remember you, Miss Zara. Sorry, Miss Zara.
But you know, joke aside, dia macam dia ni, and then bila kami fikir kami mau panggil, you know, we want to call like you.
Jadi few times juga kan you cakap.
Jadi saya cakap beberapa kali.
Panggil.
Ya,
Dia
betul,
cakap
Obina.
dengan saya like few weeks ago kan.
Ya,
Macam,
ya, we
cuba kau
should
tanya
panggil
si
Obina.
itu kita boleh panggil kan ya. Cuba kau tanya.
And tidak salah lah pilihan kita. Thank
Yes.
you very much. Takut lupa, throwback sikit. You tadi time break kita ada cerita pasal bila you di Nigeria.
Ya.
Orang selalu tipikal akan bilang, "Ui, tinggi-tinggi ya kan orang-orang."
Yes,
Okay.
that one.
Okay, let us break this stereotype, okay? Bukan semua orang yang Afrika sangat tinggi, okay? Ada juga yang lebih pendek daripada kamu yang di sini.
Pindik-pindik juga.
Oh, ada juga yang pindik pun pindik. Kalau
Betul,
misalnya pindik, dusun pindik atau lebih pindik daripada dusun.
Meaning itu apa ni orang bilang tengok dia punya ini juga lah
Gene.
kan.
It all
Gene.
depends
Yeah.
on your parents. Kalau mama bapak kau tinggi, memang kau tinggi.
Memang tinggi,
So,
kan?
banyak orang lebih tinggi daripada saya di Sabah ni. Orang Cina pun lebih tinggi daripada
Betul,
saya.
betul.
Ya.
Tapi yang paling penting bukan pasal tinggi kah, besar kah, kecil kah, it's
The heart, jiwa, the heart,
gitu.
the heart.
Gitu.
So thank you for all the sharing yang kau cerita, memang menginspirasikan
Ya,
sangat-sangat. Kehidupan bukan semudah yang kita ni, and
Betul.
kita always kena bersyukur
Ya.
dengan apa yang kita ada. And once again, thank
Satu
you.
lagi, last but not least.
Yeah.
Last words to bukan saja future generation.
This is to everyone.
Sabahan secara keseluruhan yang follow you,
Generally.
yang ni apa you mau stop your flow.
My last words to the Sabahan, I would say, for all the supporters, thank you so much for supporting me. Kepada orang yang have dorang punya pendapat sendiri, I don't have any problem with you guys. I am still your friend. If you ever see me in real life, please approach me and open up to me. I will listen to you gladly. And shout out. I have to give a shout out to all my supporters, Coach Imago team, my friends, my families, obviously the RTK Kumpulan, the organization, KC Jovel them, and finally House of Dean.
Wah, thank
Yes.
you.
Thank you, Vi. From Kau Apa Tahu ataupun Kato, we call ourselves. Thank you very much for sudilah to come here and to be part of our orang bilang tu episode this time around. Kami ada something for you juga.
Kita ada
Okay.
a token of appreciation.
This is you sudah sah menjadi ahli Kato.
Ahli Kato.
So kami cari 4 orang di bawah, you cari lagi 2 orang. Okay.
Oh, bukan MLM.
Bukan. I thought. And then a bit of something lah. This is
This
Sabah
is our
FC
collection
punya
lah, yeah.
collection lah. So I give it to you.
Yes.
Yep. So this is for you.
Tak balik, Pak. Tak balik.
Punya smart.
Tak balik, Pak. Gitu.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Macam saya left out.
Okay, masuk.
Jangan gosip, bro. Nanti kita gambar, bro.
Nanti kita ambil gambar, okay.
This is for
Oh
you.
my
Thank you
God.
very much
So
for.
nice.
Gini, satu kali dulu saya. Dia dari tadi dia punya ayat-ayat padu semua macam saya rasa beli 20 reels ni shot.
Zaman berubah,
Tapi budaya tetap sama.
Oh, okay.
Itulah, saya boleh pakai itu dalam CPBOD.
And so Thanks again.
So thank you very much
Yeah.
guys pada yang menonton kami. Thank you. Sorry Mike. Kepada yang menonton, thank you very much. It's such an inspiring session with
Betul.
Obina. Siapa lagi di next episode, jangan lupa untuk terus bersama kami. Nan, apa kamu cakap Nan?
Yeah, dan I hope this is not the first and last with
Yeah.
him. Mungkin next time dia mungkin boleh jadi co-host kita juga.
Ataupun masa tu dia menang sudah kan? Dia
Mungkin.
panggil, kan?
Kita
Co-host tu
doakan.
bagus juga kan?
Ya.
Kan?
So-
Macam tak puas hati yang di belakang kau.
Tak,
Bila
itulah
kau
dia.
co-host. Dia tidak
kalau
pernah kena offer.
Behind the scene saja bang.
Dia buat yang video-video saya lah kan?
Video saja bang. Apa yang lama bang?
Okey, kita jumpa
Alright.
lagi dalam Kopat Tahu.
Kau apa tahu?
Kau apa tahu?